how to make money on Etsy with selling digital products. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money by selling digital scrapbooking kits on Etsy. So let's get into it here by starting with Etsy, and let's go to the search to see the examples of the product I'm talking about. So here, let's wait for it to load, and let's wait for it, it's still loading, and let's give it a few seconds. Then we will be able to see the examples of the product I am talking about. So here, let's wait for it to complete downloading, and you will be able to see the digital scrapbooking kits which people use to make a lot of money. So here it's still loading, and here after it completed loading, you can see a lot of the scrapbooking kits, like this one, these ones, and these ones as well, and all of them are digital products, and you can see how much they cost. And by scrolling down, you can see other products like that and other products like that. Let's go for the ones that are popular now. These ones are not popular. These ones are popular, and they are inspirational quotes. So let's go to this one, and it's very easy to make. Like, this product is very easy to make. As you can see in here, they are just inspirational quotes from the pictures. You will see here, choose happy, don't forget to smile, life is tough but so are you. So these are just some motivational quotes. You are beautiful, miracles can happen. So these are the examples of this this product, as you can see. And by scrolling down, in demand, 3 people bought this in the last 24 hours, and it's, as I said, it's a digital download. And the thing I like about these digital products is that there is no refund or no returns or anything like that, and you won't worry about the shipping or any other third party that can take care of the shipping, business days, or anything like that. The client will pay for the product and get the product immediately. So here, by scrolling down, let's go to the terms of use. No returns for digital downloads, as I said in the beginning. And here, what am I allowed to do with my file? You can print the file for all your crafts projects. You can sell the finished handmade products in printed form only. What am I not allowed? The files have been designed and priced affordably enough for crafters and small businesses, so please follow the below terms of use. And if you scroll down, we will be able to see that there is no refunds, and we just saw that no returns, so that means no refunds as well. And here you can see it's an instant download. So I'm going to take you guys to another page where we are going to see how much money this shop is making from this one only product. And if I could guess right, this is not the only product that this shop has in their page. So here, let's take the name of the shop to spy on them to see how much sales that they are making from the product and how much sales they are making in general. So here we have Everbee. It's a platform where you can see all of the information about the Etsy shops. So here, let's wait for it to load, and then we will go to shop analyzer, but let's wait for it to complete loading. Here, let's give it another few seconds, and let's go to the shop analyzer. Let's wait for it to load again. This platform takes a little bit of time. And here, let's go to search the shop, and this is the shop. Click on search shop to see all of the products that they have, and we're going to see the we won't be able to see the sales because we didn't pay for the upgraded version of this platform, but we are going to see the reviews, and from the reviews you can guess how much sales that they have, because half the people that buy the product leave a review, which means we will just multiply the reviews by 2 and we will be able to guess the price or the amount of sales that they are making. So here we have journal words, inspirational quotes. I think this is the product we have in here. It's this one, journal words, inspirational quotes. So this is the product here. Let's go to the listing age before we see the listing details, but let's go directly to the listing details. So here the product's price is around $2 and it was listed from 29 months ago, and they have 707 reviews, and these are the reviews per month. So these people are making 48 sales per month, and if you multiply 48 on $2, it will be around $69 per month from this one only product which costs $2, and they created it very easily. I'm going to show you how you can create products like this without even any hard work or anything like that. And here you can see that they are making only this amount with this one product, and if you scroll down you will see that they have a lot other products here. This one for $6, and you'll be able to see how much money they are making with it as well. So here 5 reviews per month, so they are making 10 sales with this other product per month. And if you do the math, you will see that they will make around $1,000, $2,000 with this amount of products that they have. So I'm going to take you to canva.com where you can create your own product like this. So let's go to canva.com and let's wait for it to load. Then I'm going to show you how you can create your own product like these people and then start making money as well. So here let's go to the search and let's type digital scrapbooking kits, and you'll be able to see a lot of templates for this kind of products. So let's wait for it to load. So here you will see a lot of templates for that kind of product, and you will be able to just take a template in here and make some changes to the template, and you will be left with your own product to start selling. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.